Hello and welcome to the AMS 3D print queue training. So today we're going to go over how the Prusa print queue works and how some of the Pro print queue works, so that when you come into the space and want one of your parts printed, you know what to do. So these are our Prusa printers. They are best for pretty much any project you have. This is our standard go-to on the printers. So I'll walk you through that print queue first. When you come in and you have an STL file, or when you come in and want something printed, please bring an STL file. This will help us slice it and then put it in the queue. Whichever mentor is helping you out with your print will have you fill out your name and your Georgia Tech email in this 3D print queue form. And once that file has been loaded, we'll then slice your file in the Prusa Slicer application. I'll run through a bit how this works just so you're aware for the future. Print settings include things like the speed at which the printer will go, the type of filament that you're using, and the infill. So if you're coming in and you have specific needs in mind for your print, like if it's something that needs to be really sturdy, then request to the mentor helping you to have a higher percentage of infill. Mentors will not take prints that you've sliced before coming in, so always just bring the STL and then we'll help you slice it right here. So if we look at this form again, this will just be all the information mentors will help you fill out. And after you fill out a form, it'll be put into this 3D print queue. Prints are marked as printing, finished, or queued. So make sure before you leave that your print is in the queue, and then you'll get an email in a couple of days when it's completed. Completed 3D prints are stored in our bins at the front. So if you receive an email from the AMS, come pick up your print here. Next, we'll really quickly go over how some of the different 3D printers work. So if you ever have a project with really specific needs, like you need a large piece or it's really complex geometry and you need dissolvable supports, we can use these Stratasys printers. However, we're only really going to allow these prints for really specific tasks. Most regular prints will be placed on the Prusas. We also have resin printers and the materials to process those prints. So if you ever have specific needs, please come talk to the mentors. And the queue process is the same for the Pro printers. We'll put it on the queue and then you'll receive an email when it's done. Thank you, and when you come into the space, let us know if you have any questions.